if we start to get our technology rolled out into more aspects of the marketplace, we are really going to significantly move the dial. And it's pretty glib to say we're going to change the world, but we're going to change the world. We're Sheffield based, but we have global reach. Fundamentally what we do is we're a clean tech business. So what we do is we provide solutions for our partners to become more efficient in the way that they use energy, more efficient in the way that they manage waste, more efficient in the way that they can monitor and measure processes. To achieve net zero goals, we have to use energy more efficiently. We can't not use energy, but we have to use it more efficiently. So we are right in the crosshairs of clean tech.
We work in a lot of different sectors, but all that are kind of moving towards like net zero, efficiency savings, uptime, anything from manufacturing, process improvement, to the marine, nuclear and aerospace industries. So we have quite a good reaction because our technology can apply to all those kind of industries, and we can make real impact because who we work with are big kind of global corporates. So, you know, even people that we work with in oil and gas, for example, they can make massive change in their industry with some of our technology. So the scale and impact of that is huge and really game-changing. So in addition to that, we've been recently accepted onto the Tech Nation NetZero 3 program. It's a fantastic platform for us to kind of showcase some of our technology and really kind of get us on the right agenda of how we're positioning ourselves as a business. So it's great for the future for us.
We are developing, manufacturing, designing the actual sensors themselves, called the transducers. We do the electronics, we do the data capture and the algorithms to turn signals into digital data that can be useful. So we get our data up into the cloud, we analyse it up in the cloud, and we provide it to customers so customers can actually get useful information to actually determine how best to manage their machines, their components, their products, their processes, using data upon which they can take an action.
Welcome to Tribosonics and our Research and Innovation Lab. This is the most recent expansion to our facility. So in this space, our technologists will be developing solutions for our customers using fundamental laws of physics and developing sensing solutions. And that's research, it's innovation, and as we move through our facility, those fundamental solutions gain maturity and ultimately become products that we deploy into the field. As the technology leaves the Research and Innovation Lab, it enters into the Commercialization Hub. Commercialization Hub is a mixture of engineers and commercialization experts. And together that team bring the technology to the marketplace. That Commercialization Hub is followed by this space we're in at the moment, the Product and Data Hub. And this is where electronics are developed. Printed circuit boards, data acquisition systems, systems that are industrial ready, provide a link between an industrial asset and the cloud, where our data is processed, visualized, and then ultimately shared with the customer who generates real value out of that data.
The total addressable market in terms of the use of sensing solution in industrial applications is upwards of 50 billion. Whilst the basis of the business or the origins of the business is in using ultrasonics to characterize industrial components and how they interact, what our team is very good at is finding a solution. And finding a solution to a sensing problem or an opportunity or a value creating revenue stream. So we will not necessarily be completely fixed on providing an ultrasonic solution. The stuff we're doing with our partner Novarez in France, so the car component manufacturer, and we're not using ultrasonics. We've developed a different way of sensing, and where we can, we use off-the-shelf components. So what we can do is adapt a series of components from core scientific principles into a industrially robust and commercially viable solution.
We're at the phase now where we're talking about how do we productize that technology, how many products are you going to lead in the first year, second year, 10 years. You know, in nuclear industry, it's 100 years. You know, we're going to make massive changes going forward and real impact in those markets. So the future is growth for us and kind of commercialisation of products that are really making an impact in the market for sustainability and net zero.
The future of Tribosonics is to get our technology into helping more industrial customers and more customers in other sectors to be more efficient in what they do and to, you know, join with us in this club where we're all changing the world.